Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today we discuss class 10 science chapter 2 acid, base and salt. In this chapter we will learn about what are acids, base and salts and what are the properties of acid, base and salts. For first one we have to start from acids. Acids क्या होता है? Mainly generally we are use some acids in our daily life. For example, some fruits like lemon, orange, mango. Okay, these are the some fruits. They have the souring taste. Okay, that time we eat lemon, orange, and mango. What are we feel? What are sour in taste? And what happen? Another one are the properties are they have the change in litmus from blue litmus to red in color. Okay, this is also one test in litmus test. How can you identify a substance are acidic or basic? Then we have with the help of a litmus paper, a blue litmus are changed to red in color, then it is what a acidic substance. So these are some example of acids which are found in our mainly organic source, okay, or natural occurring acids. And some acids are we have to found in the lab, or we have to found by the synthesis process. These are are called mainly strong acids. For example, are the hydrochloric acids. Okay, hydrochloric acids are the strong acids. That is HCl. Okay, this one we have to synthesis in the laboratory. Another one example are the sulfuric acids, that is H2SO4. This one are the very strong acids. Another one the nitric acid, HNO3 nitric acids. Okay, these are the strong acids. Okay, we have to synthesize in the laboratory. Okay, some acids are the weak because their strength are the low, and some acids are the strong because they have the high strength. Okay, how can you identify which one are the strong acids and which one are the more acids? Okay, so strong acids are the acids which are completely ionized in water or in their aqueous solutions. Okay, the acids which are completely ionized in aqueous solutions are called strong acids, and the acids which are partially ionized or incompletely ionized in their aqueous solution are called weak acids. Okay, so these are the general idea about what are acids. Now we discuss some chemical properties of acids. Okay, these two are the physical properties. What are mainly acids are the sour in taste, and acids are changed blue litmus paper to red in color. Okay, blue litmus paper are changed red in color. These are the two physical properties of acids. Now we discuss some chemical properties of acids. That is okay, first one, chemical properties of acid. Chemical properties. First one, the chemical properties are the acids are react with metal. First properties are reaction with metal. Okay. So metal like iron, zinc, copper, these are some reactive metals. They are the react with some dilute acids and form water, salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, but when metal react with acids to form water, salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay. So these are the most important waters when metal react with acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. So now we discuss some example of these reactions. For example, where the metals are the zinc and taken water dilute HCl Then what are formed in product? Zinc chloride, ZnCl2 plus H2 hydrogen gas. Let this one two are balanced, then this is multiplied into zinc chlorides, which is a salt, and these hydrogen gas are released. Now we are taking another example of this one. When zinc metal are react with dilute sulfuric acids, zinc plus sulfuric acid H2SO4, what are formed in which salt are formed? Here are the zinc and sulfide, zinc sulfide ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas. This another in dilute state also they are react with zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfate salt are formed. So this one of the water example of when metals are react with acids. And next properties are reaction with metal carbonate. When acids react with metal carbonate. Metal carbonate, for examples, are the metal with carbonate. Some example are the calcium carbonate. CaCO3 is example of a metal carbonates. Second properties are the acid react with metal carbonate. Reaction with metal carbonate. What happens when acids react with metal carbonate? Metal carbonate plus acids. What are formed in product sides when a metal are react with carbonate? Then in product side are formed salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay. When metal carbonate are react with acids to form salt, carbon dioxides and waters. We are taking some example of this. Some example of metal carbonate are the CaCO3, calcium carbonate. We are taking some example of acids are HCl, dilute HCl or hydrochloric acids. Then which salt are formed? Here salt are formed CaCl2, calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide CO2 plus water H2, calcium chloride. CaCl2. Here we have to balance 2 HCl. So this is one example of metal carbonate when react with acids. So next properties are reaction with hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonates. Acids react with hydrogen carbonates or bicarbonate. The third properties are reaction with hydrogen carbonate. Reaction with metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate. What happens when acids react with metal hydrogen carbonates? When metal hydrogen carbonates, we are taking some example of metal hydrogen carbonate are calcium bicarbonate. What are calcium bicarbonate, or we are taking example of sodium bicarbonate also. Okay, sodium bicarbonate formula NaHCO3. Okay, this is one example of metal hydrogen carbonates, and this one are react with what are sulfuric acids. Okay, dilute sulfuric acids H2SO4. Okay, dilute sulfuric acids. Then what are formed in product sides? First one salt are formed, that is sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus here carbon dioxide gas are released, that is CO2 plus water also released, H2O. Okay, this one are the salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, when metal hydrogen carbonates are react with acids to form salt, carbon dioxide and water. So this is another example of the metal hydrogen carbonates are react with acids. Next properties are acids react with metal oxides. What are acids react with metal oxides? Some metal oxides are the like calcium oxides, magnesium oxides. Okay, these are the metal oxides. The reaction with metal oxide. Metal oxides. Metal oxide plus acids to form water. Metal oxides plus acids are react to form water, salt and water. Water form here salt plus water. Okay. When metal oxides are react with acids to form salt and water. We are taking one example of metal oxides like the calcium oxide CaO. Taking one example of acids are hydrochloric acid HCl. Okay. Which salt are formed here? Calcium chloride CaCl2. Because here calcium present and chlorine present, that's why calcium chloride salt are formed and water H2O. Okay, this one 2 chlorine, that's why we have to multiply 2 and now balance. Okay, so calcium chloride salt are formed. Okay, this one are the dilute. So this one are the example of the acids react with metal oxides. So this one are the some properties we have discussed, or chemical properties of acids. Okay, so now one test we have to discuss, that is a acidic test. Okay, acidic test mainly the carbon dioxide gas. This is acidic in nature. That's why they are passed through in lime water. The carbon dioxide gas are changed to water milky. Okay, when carbon dioxide gas are passed through lime water, okay, then this lime water are changed to milky. And these are the test for carbon dioxide water, test for CO2 gas. Okay, test for CO2 gas. How can you test for CO2 gas? When lime water we are taking, it is calcium hydroxide CaOSO2. We have to pass carbon dioxide gas. Then what happened? CaCO3, calcium carbonate are formed. Okay, CaCO3 plus H2O water are formed. This is water milky in color. Okay, this is white precipitate are formed. Okay, milky in color is a white precipitate. White precipitate of calcium carbonate are formed. And again we are get with this calcium carbonate. Okay, again this one we have to react. Then what happens? CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, in excess. Excess quantity of CO2 gas we have to pass. Then calcium bicarbonate are formed. What are formed? Calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 whole 2. Okay, what are formed? Calcium bicarbonate, and it is soluble with water. Okay, soluble with water. That's why the milkiness are again disappear. Okay, first in lime water we have to pass carbon dioxide gas, then the lime water are changed to milky color, and excess quantity of carbon dioxide gas we have to pass, then this milkiness are disappear and form water calcium bicarbonate. Why this milkiness are disappear? Because this calcium bicarbonate are soluble with waters. Okay, so this one are the test for carbon dioxide. So now we discuss about what are base. What are base and what are the chemical properties of base? So base are the generally we use milk of magnesia and the toothpaste you use in the morning. Okay, that time we have to brush it. It is the toothpaste. This one are also example of the best example of base. So base are the what are bases are base. Base are generally bitter in taste. What are bitter in taste? Okay, and the base are changed red litmus paper to blue color. Okay, these are the physical properties. The base are the bitter in taste and they can change the red litmus to blue. Then what are the chemical properties of base? So now discuss chemical properties of base. The chemical properties of gases. Okay. So chemical properties of bases. First one, reaction with metal. What are base are react with metal? First one, reaction with metal. So what happens when base are react with metal? We are discuss one example one. For a metal example are the some other zinc. Then one base are the NaOH, sodium hydroxides. When metals are react with base, they form sodium zincate. What are formed? Sodium zincate. Na2ZnO2. Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. This is one salt, sodium zincate. Okay, the sodium zincate are the salt. Okay, this one are the metal, and this one are the base, sodium hydroxide. Sorry, base. We multiply to then balance. So this is one example of what are bases react with metal. So next are the another properties are the second properties of base are reaction with non-metallic oxides. What are reaction with non-metallic oxides? Second properties are Okay, some non-metallic oxides are the, for examples are the CO2. Carbon dioxide, it is a non-metallic oxides, and these carbon dioxides are react with base like a calcium hydroxide or sodium hydroxides. Then water form. We are taking some example of the calcium hydroxide, CaOH12. Then other form here, salt and water are formed. Which salt are formed here? Here calcium and here carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus H2O. Okay, these are the metallic oxides. CO2 are react with base, water form salt plus water. Okay, this one non-metallic oxide. So what are the under now we get non-metallic oxide reacts with base to form salt plus water. So this one are the example of reaction of non-metallic oxides with base. Okay. So this one are the some properties we have discussed acid and base. Now we discuss what happens when acids are react with base. What are when acids are react with base, or acid and base react each other. Reaction between acids and base. Okay, so we are taking one example of a acids are the HCl, and we are taking one example of a base, that is NaOH. Okay, here are the H plus NCl minus, Na plus and OH minus. Here H plus ion and here OH minus are combined and to form water, H2O, that is water, and here Na plus and Cl minus are combined to form water, NaCl. Okay, NaCl, and here S or OH to form H2O. So NaCl is water. NaCl is a common salt. Okay, so we get water, salt and water. We get water, salt and water. Okay, this one HCl are the acids and NaOH are the base. So when acids are react with base to form salt and water, what are acids plus base to form water, salt plus water. Okay, this is called what are neutralization reaction. What are neutralization reaction? Okay, neutralization reaction. When acids are neutralized to base and to form salt and water, then this reaction is called water neutralization reactions. So when acids are react with base, then water forms salt and waters. So this is all idea about water, acids, base and salts. So next part we discuss that there are some salt and some indicators which are help to identify the acidic and basic substance. Okay, so now we have to end this part. Okay, so I request to all of you stay home and continuously keep your learning process. Okay, thank you.